Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find the value of the expression sine of x from the given equation tangent of x plus secant of x equal to 1.5. Alright, let's get started. I would like to transform this equation a little bit because I know that tangent of x is the same thing as sine x divided by cosine x. So we have sine x divided by cosine x plus, I know that secant of x is the same thing as 1 divided by cosine of x. 1 divided by cosine of x. And this is equal to 3 divided by 2 because I know that 3 divided by 2 is the same thing as 1.5. And now since we have common denominators, we can add the numerators. This is the same thing as sine x plus 1 divided by cosine x. And this is equal to 3 divided by 2. Now let us cross multiply. We have that 2 multiplied by the whole of this. We have 2 times sine x plus 1 equal to 3 cosine of x, right? And we can expand this. We have 2 sine of x plus 2 equal to 3 cosine of x. Now I would like to square both sides. Square this and square the other side. The expansion of the left hand side, the first term squared, that is going to give us 4 sine squared x. So we have 4 sine squared x. Then 2 times this times this. 2 multiplied by this will give us 4 sine x times 2 is 8 sine x. Then 2 squared is 4. We have plus 4 here. And the other side we have 3 squared is 9. We have cosine squared x. But we know that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. And hence we can write cosine squared x as 1 minus sine squared x. So to the left hand side we have 4 sine squared x plus 8 sine x plus 4 equal to 9 multiplied by 1 minus sine squared x, because sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1, and you can make cosine the subject. It is the same thing as 1 minus sine squared x. So by expansion we have 9 minus 9 sine squared x to the right hand side, and the left hand side remain the same. So now let us bring all terms to the left hand side. We have negative 9 sine squared x. As it comes to the other side, it becomes positive. We already have 4 sine squared x, so if you join them together, you have 13 sine squared x. Then we have plus 8 sine x, which is this one. Then as this crosses over, it becomes negative. 4 minus 9 is negative 5. The whole of this equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation in terms of sine x. How do we factorize it? We take 13, which is the leading coefficient. We multiply by the constant term, which is negative 5. And this will give us negative 65. Now we are going to think of two numbers that we can multiply together to get negative 65. And when we add them together, we have positive 8. Already you can see that 13 minus 5 is 8. And 13 times negative 5 is negative 65. So we can use them. 13 sine squared x. Then plus 13 sine x minus 5 sine x. Then we have our minus 5. The whole of this equal to 0. You can see that the middle terms, 13 sine x minus 5 sine x, is the same thing as 8 sine x. So now let us factorize them in batches. The first two, we have 13 sine x in common. So we have 13 sine x outside. Inside, from this 13 is outside already. We have 1 of sine x. Plus the whole of this is out. We have only 1 left. And from the second two terms, I think we have minus 5 in common. Minus 5. Inside from the first term, we have sine x. From the second term, we have plus 1, because if you take this, you divide by this, you're going to get 1. The whole of this should be equal to 0. And again, those terms under the parentheses are the same. We can further factorize. We have sine x plus 1 as one of the terms under the parentheses, multiplied by 13 sine x minus 5. 13 sine x minus 5. The whole of this equal to 0. It is either sine x plus 1 equal to 0 or 13 sine x minus 5 equal to 0. Sine x from here, if you take 1 to the other side, it becomes negative 1, or 13 sine x equals 5, then you divide both sides by 13. You see that sine x equals 5 divided by 13. Remember, we are looking for sine x. Therefore, sine x is either equal to negative 1 or sine x equals 5 divided by 13. But wait, sine x cannot be negative 1. Why? Because let's come back here. If sine x is negative 1, you see we have negative 1 plus 1, which is 0, and 0 divided by cosine x is 0, which is not the same thing as 3 divided by 2. Therefore, sine x cannot be negative 1. And we conclude that sine x is definitely 5 divided by 13. And this is the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.